I'm Angelo Pereira. I'm studying St. Sebastian's College in grade 8 class. This is my new project. It's named Orion Kid.
What is the main purpose of making this robot, Angelo?
Orion Kid helps you to access the patients who are suffering from dangerous virus diseases, especially this pandemic season.
What are the features on this robot?
There are many features such as measures the body temperature and display, and also can measures the room temperature, automatically spread sanitizer, move place to another place using Bluetooth connection between robot and the phone, and also can move hands using smartphone.
How it is working, Angelo?
I have gotten the power from adapters, 5 amps, 12 volts adapters, and also can use this project for batteries. This is MLS 9614 temperature contactless sensor. I use this sensor for measures the temperature. This sensor gives a signal through the Arduino, and Arduino sends a message to LCD display by SDA SCA. I use 4 Arduino microcontrollers to control this robot. These 3 are Arduino Unos, and this one is the Arduino Mega. First, I would like you to explain how the sensitizer path is working. This is a IR sensor. It has a transmitter, receiver, potentiometer, and 3 wires. First one is VCC, second one is GND, and the third one is out. Out is a digital signal. If IR sensor value goes 0, IR sensor send a message to the Arduino, and Arduino gives a message to motor driver to supply the water pump. The L29PD motor driver. I use this motor driver for supply the water pump. It has 3 L29PD ICs, and it can run 4 DC motors, 2 servo motors, and also can run 2 stepper motors. I set a buzzer in Arduino 52 pin. It is a digital signal pin. I use this buzzer for alarm high body temperature. Introduce how the robot hands are working. This is robot's left hand, and I use 4 servo motors to move this hand. This is a servo motor. It has 3 wires: GND wire, VCC wire, and the digital signal wire. This is the shoulder servo, elbow servo, base servo, and gripper servo. Gripper can hold the things. I gave power to servo motors from adapters, not from Arduino Uno. I used Arduino Uno for control the digital signals and detects the Bluetooth module signals by RxD TXD. This XT6 Bluetooth module, it has 4 wires: VCC, GND, TXD, RxD. and also can use EN and state. I use this module for transfer the data from mobile app to Arduino Uno. This is Orion Kit hand's home position. Left hand home position, right hand home position. Finally, I'm introduced how to move this robot. I used 2 stepper motors to move this robot, and I also used 2 timing belts. This is a stepper motor and it has 4 wires, 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B. This is A4988 stepper motor driver. I used 2 stepper motor drivers to run stepper motors. It has heat sink, potentiometer, IC, 16 pins. If stepper motors are working, this IC produces high heat. Then I use heat sink and a cooling fan to cool this IC. This is an ultrasonic sensor. If the ultrasonic sensor detects any obstructions in front of the robot traveling path, it will immediately provide a signal to the Arduino Uno to stop the stepper motors. I used a HC5 Bluetooth module to transfer the data from mobile app to Arduino by TXD RXD. Actually, I use this Arduino Uno for control the digital signals and detects the Bluetooth module signals and send a message to motor drivers. If power system have any faulties, I put fuses. Then fuses help me to disconnect the power and protect the robot.